A motorcycle traveling at 25 meters per second accelerates at a rate of 7 meters per second for 6 seconds. What is the final speed of the motorcycle? So here we go is our physics problem. First, let's get our bits of data. Okay, so this is going to be our initial velocity, 25 meters per second. Acceleration is going to be at 7 meters per second over a certain time. So we want to know the final speed. Now if you were to look at, if you want to pause for a second and skip how we're going to figure out how we're going to derive this, if you already know, and you already know which actual formulae we're going to be using, you can skip ahead. But let's quickly do this. If I multiply both sides by time, we'll get acceleration multiplied by time, and you would eliminate that time here because time divided by time is 0. So we have final velocity take away initial velocity. So if we add initial velocity to both sides, we should get final velocity, because initial velocity take away initial velocity is 0. So this is our final here. So our final actual bit of data should be final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. Now let's actually answer this using a table. Let's answer this using a table. So we have our time in seconds, and we have our our velocity in meters per second. Oh my goodness, not very neat at all, but that's okay. At the start, we are going, so at time 0, let's go every 2 seconds, 2, 4, and 6. And just for laughs, let's do at time 10. So at initial velocity, we know that the motorcycle is going at 25 meters per second at the start, time equals 0. And for every second, it is going 7 meters per second faster. So at time equals 1, actually let's probably add an extra one in here, just for a little bit of clarity. Let's put a time equals 1, 2, 4, and 6. So time equals 1, so after 1 second, it's gone another 7 meters per second faster after 1 second. So 25 plus 7 is 32. So after 1 second, it's going 32 meters per second. Now after another second, it's going to go another 7 meters faster. So it's going to go at 39 meters per second. After 3, another 7 seconds, so it's going to be 46. After 4, it's going to be 53. And after 5 seconds, it's going to go at 60, because add 7 to that. After 6, it's going to go at 67 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to figure out the 10 a little bit later, because let's use our actual values here to actually figure it out after 6 seconds. So we know at the start it's going 25 meters per second, and then we know that acceleration is 7 meters per second, and that is over 6 seconds. Awesome. 6 sevens are 42. Okay, so it was initially going at 25 meters per second, and then after 6 seconds, it's going 42 meters per second faster. So in the end, it should be going 67 meters per second after 6 seconds. Now let's have a look if the time were 10 seconds, so we can actually figure this out. So final velocity will be how fast was it going at the start? 25 meters per second plus its acceleration of 7 meters per second times 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds it should be going 70 meters per second faster, because 7 times 10 is 70. And so it should be going 95 meters per second after 10 seconds. So that is our value. So now we can actually figure out, it doesn't matter what time, we can figure out at any time. It can be at 100 seconds, at 200 seconds. We should be able to find out how fast it's going after a certain amount of time.